In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zoho CRM password, a crucial skill to have in 2025. It's always important to ensure your account remains secure, and knowing how to reset your password is a foundational step in that process. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply wish to update it to maintain security standards, this guide will walk you through the procedure. To begin, open your web browser of choice and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. If you're not sure where to find it, you can easily type Zoho CRM login into your search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once there, log in using your account credentials just as you normally would. If you're having trouble locating the homepage, try using the bookmarked link or check your browsing history for quick access. After you have successfully logged in, your next move is to find the highlighted section on your dashboard. This highlighted area is a navigation tool that directs you to different aspects of your CRM account. Locating this section might be overwhelming in a sea of information, but don't worry. It's usually placed at the upper section of the page and probably marked for easy spotting. Now, with the highlighted section in view, your next click is on another highlight. This may sound repetitive, but it is essential to ensure you're taking the correct steps without missing anything. Each click brings you closer to the option you need. So go ahead and click on this second highlight. Following that, you'll look for the My Account option. Clicking on My Account will redirect you to your account settings. This page is where you can manage all personal details related to your Zoho CRM account. Look for the Security tab within this area. It's your gateway to making your account more secure. Once you're on the security page, look for the password option. This section is obviously crucial for changing or updating your password. Before proceeding, ensure you have a new password in mind that is strong and secure, perhaps something that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also worth mentioning a few key points to remember here, and always choose a password that you haven't used before, and avoid using easily guessable information such as birthdays or names. If you're unsure about your password choice, using a password manager can provide an added level of security. And there you have it. We've completed the steps to reset your Zoho CRM password. By following these instructions, you now know how to change your password effectively, keeping your account secure in 2025 and beyond. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and guides, and feel free to share any questions or comments you may have below.